Depot on the beat.
Thing work. All right, y'all. What's up, bruh? It's your boy City Country Hero back at it again to save the day. What I got for y'all is voila, Rough Country N3 Premium Loaded Struts. These are the 6-inch lifted struts or loaded struts, whatever, you know, for the Ford F150. I'm just trying to help y'all out because as many videos as I actually looked through, ain't nobody really just showed me what was in the box. You feel me? So I don't want to see what Rough Country want to show me in the box. I want to see what regular folks who order the product get in their box. So me, regular person, hola, como estas? Yes, I speak Portuguese. Anyways, this is the box, bruh. Yes, I slapped it. Trust me, it's much heavier than that. The coils are actually over there, but I did record the opening before I even got to see them. So I'm gonna get that to y'all, let y'all check that out. You feel me? FedEx man just dropped the box off, literally probably from around 7 feet in the air, considering the damages on the box. But we over that. We got the package. It's warranted. You know what I mean? Let me show y'all what's in the box, bro. Let's get to it. All right, so we with the box, bro. I have no idea what's really in here. Just gonna open it up straight up, show y'all what y'all can expect. This is the box. It's black. It's a little messed up, but we're not really tripping about that. Let's get this bad boy open and see what they got inside for us. Okay, simple. Y'all see what I was talking about when I said Rough Country's packaging, girl? Rough Country's packaging is just, you know, it's just nice, man. It's just nice. So here we go, guys. These are your N3 shots. Looks like everything is right here. Just gonna take one of them out. The other one is identical. All right, this is it. N3 shot. This is the 6-inch lifted strut version. As you can see, it comes with bolts, and it comes with more bolts and the brother piece. It also comes with, let's see, some instructions, I guess, some warning notes, stuff like that. Tells you the tools that you need. Talking about jack stand and all that. Oh man, it comes with like straight up printout, kind of like the other printout I had with the McGoey's kit. Comes with a printout with pictures on how to install. That's pretty dope right there. That's pretty dope. So you can expect to have, you know, how to DIY. You feel me? DIY 101. One of the things that I would like to mention straight off the rip is that it does have the stickers. It does have the stickers on here. You feel me? Like I don't want the sticker on there. I mean, it's okay. You know, these are pretty cheap, you know, struts just to start out with, you know, and I'm happy with that. But I don't want the sticker on here. So I'm gonna take that off as soon as I can. So next time you see this strut right here, bro, next time you see this coil will be a different color. And I'm gonna leave the rest of this as it is because this actually matches my McGoey's lift kit. It's silver, kind of look like it has the glitter in it, you know what I'm saying? Like that little powder coat effect. So I'm actually gonna leave this like it is. And I'm just gonna paint this part right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna paint this, the actual spring or the coil. But yeah, man, or the shock, whatever you want to call it. You know, y'all know, I ain't no professional, bro. I just watched this, but you see it, guys. This is what it is. It's in the box. It's nice. Let's see. Get the camera, bro. Let's see. There we go. So y'all are seeing it, bro. That's it right there. The Rough Country premium lifted strut, the N3 strut. This is the 6-inch lifted version for the Ford F-150. And so far so good, man. Looks good to me. These things are heavy though. I wasn't expecting them to be that heavy, but they're pretty heavy, you know. See if I get close up so y'all can see what I meant by that glitter effect in the paint. Paint is nice. I'm actually happy that it has the silver in it. Like I said, it does match my McGaughy's lift kit, so I'm actually happy with that. These coils though, these coils will be changing. So yeah, that's it, bro. That's all I got for y'all. Y'all be good, man. I'm always dropping stuff, bro. City Country Hero, bro. I'm out. 1.